What is going on, everyone? So in this episode I'm going to be doing something to my car there. Give you a little bit of a story. Me and this guy in this Honda Civic Type-R, we were kind of clowning around, playing around. We were taking turns, taking lead, going around curves, not really racing or anything, but we so when it got my turn and I took lead, he said he saw a exhaust, a flame shooting out my exhaust, and I was like, for real? So I'm kind of wanting to know if that's really happening. So I'm not doubting him or anything, but I want to get some footage of it if I can, of flames shooting out my exhaust. So I got my little attachment right here. I'm hoping I can get it just right. It's gonna be sitting about right here, hopefully. So if all goes well, hopefully we can see some flames shooting out my exhaust. But anyway, let's get to it as soon as possible. Sorry for the video kind of hopping around. These Continental tires are very cold nature, so I'm trying to get it the best I can, but just gotta take a while for these tires to warm up. I literally just left my house, so the tires aren't even warm. That and this road isn't the best maintained. There's a lot of big rigs that drive down this road. It's just a very, basically an industrial road. Like a lot of big rigs, logging trucks, stuff like that, they go down this road. So the other direction that is, but they also come this way to hit the interstate. So I have no control over that. Oh, well, that's stupid. Car just barely parked that angle in front of one. Oh, come on, Dodge. That's one thing I would never do. Just park right there in the middle of the road and wait for traffic. Okay, so I just gassed up my Evo, and now I have to go to a certain area to where it's not really heavily traveled and populated, so that I can attach it to the body of my car. So hopefully it won't fall off like it did on my truck when I was out mud bogging. That was kind of a little embarrassing. But that footage that fell off of my truck, it didn't really save it. So once when it fell off on the dirt road, it kind of wiped everything off. But so going to this area now, just waiting to see. I'm going to make a few rounds, see how traveled it is, and then go from there. Alright, so I came to the spot. I went ahead and attached the I took it off when I was driving to go get gas and stuff, but I just reattached it. So here it is. But I'm hoping, crossing my fingers, that it does not fall off. So here we go. All right, everyone, so I previewed the video and looked at it, and I'm actually kind of stoked a little bit. It didn't shoot flames every exact gear shift. It happened more along of when I was going from third to fourth, but I did see some flames shooting out, and it looked pretty cool. And it's not like a whole lot of flames shooting out, it's just a little bit here and there, but it happened like real fast. So I'm excited about it, that it is true. My Evo does shoot out flames when I'm like gunning it and just you know, just having fun. But that makes me kind of happy, like, because I didn't know, I never knew that until my buddy in the Honda Civic Type-R got behind me, and we're just taking curves, and all of a sudden he's like, dude, your car's shooting flames. And I was like, no. And then, but it's true. I mean, I just saw the video clips of it, and I just hope if you enjoyed it, like, subscribe, and so yeah, especially subscribe to my channel, please. I need help. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers. But anyway, so like, subscribe, comment, and if you have footage of your Evo shooting out flames, I'd like to see that as well. I think it's pretty cool. But anyway, so I'm heading home to start on this video because I'm super excited.